Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on the Google Pixel 9. Okay, so let's begin. So I just downloaded my WhatsApp to show you the whole process, so let's simply enter the app. In here, choose your language, then click on this green button, then click on agree and continue. You can allow WhatsApp to send you the notifications, and now you need to type your phone number, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, and once you have verified your phone number, okay, 1 second. Okay, so once you have verified, you will have something like this, contacts and media. In here, simply click on continue, click on allow to give access to contacts. In here to access music and audio, and here to photos and videos you can click on allow limited access or allow all. And now, as you can see, we have option to restore our chats. Below we have information how long ago the last web backup was made. In my case it was 2 minutes ago, and below the size of it, and also the account on which I made the backup. So basically, if you don't know how to create such a backup, there's a video on our channel where I'm showing the whole process, so if you want you can look for it. Okay, and now all you need to do is to simply click on restore, and remember that if you don't restore now, you won't be able to restore later. So click on restore. Now the process should start, and now we need to wait until it gets to 100%. Okay, as you can see, 10 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. So now click on this green button next. Under the profile info, simply type your name and then click on next. Okay, and now, for now, restoring media has paused because I have low battery. But you just need to simply charge your phone and it will automatically restore. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.